All right, here we go. Judge in Trump's hush money case expected to sentence him to unconditional discharge. What this really means is that Trump is not going to go to jail or anything like that. So, I mean, did you expect anything else? If you're rich and powerful, you don't go to jail. The sentencing is supposed to be on January the 10th. Mercan, the ruler, in his ruling Friday, that's the judge, called an unconditional discharge the most viable solution to ensure finality and allow defendant to pursue his appellate options. Well, I have a feeling that this will be appealed till the end of fucking time. Trump faces the possibility of up to 4 years in prison for his conviction. Though the sentence of an unconditional discharge means he would avoid prison, fines, or probation. But we can't have a convicted felon as president unable to do his job as president. I'm still not understanding how we can have a convicted felon as president. I know y'all elected Donald Trump as president, but did y'all pay attention at all to this conviction for fraud? This scrap down here to vacate this verdict on the grounds that the charges are insufficiently serious given the position the defendant once held and is about to assume again would constitute a disproportionate result and cause immeasurable damage to the citizenry's confidence in the rule of law. I have already lost confidence in the rule of law. If I had 34 counts of felony charged against me, I'd already be in jail. And I think that would apply to most people here. There's no chance in hell we'd stay out of jail if we had 34 counts of felony fraud. Why is this guy allowed? I'm sick of it. Do we have a justice system or do we not have a justice system? I don't think we have a justice system. We have more people in jail in the United States than there are in any other nation in the world. We have more people in jail per capita than anybody else in the world. I originally thought that the vast majority of those people were just in jail for holding drugs, but that's not even true. It's actually in the teens percentage or something like that. Apparently, there are a lot of serious crime people in jail. But dang, I don't know how Donald Trump stays out of jail. I mean, it's just lawyers and lots of money, I guess. Uh, well, at least Merchan in his ruling said that we couldn't dismiss the jury's verdict outright because it would undermine the rule of law in immeasurable ways. Yeah, I don't see how it's changed now. He's talking about the importance of protecting the sanctity of a jury verdict. The verdict stands, but the sentence is 0. What the hell is good as a verdict where the sentencing is 0? Yeah, this don't mean. I mean, defendants disdain for the third branch of government. I assume he's talking about the judiciary, whether state or federal in New York or elsewhere, is a matter of public record. Indeed, the defendant has gone to great lengths to broadcast on social media and other forums his lack of respect for judges, juries, grand juries, and the justice system as a whole. So I just wish Merchan would just nail him. Your sentence is jail 4 years. I mean, he's convicted of by a jury, 34 counts of felony. I hate that there was any delay in sentencing. Should have been right there. I know all these cases have, you get convicted and then there's a delay and then there's a sentencing. There's just no damn justice. This guy. That guy. No justice. Just imagine what he can do for the next 4 years. Even if he were convicted and put in jail 4 years from now. Imagine what he will have done in that time. Oh, I can't wait. I just can't wait for the 4 years of debauchery we're about to go through. It's a bad time to be a queer man. Of course, you can't choose who you are, so what am I going to do? I'm bi, and that's all I can do. I'm just, I could lie about it and say I'm not bi. I could lie about it and say I'm not queer. Wouldn't do any good. You are who you are. There's a friend of mine right there right now who was having the gay prayed away. You know who you are. You're living your miserable life. You don't have to live a miserable life. But do we have to worry about whether we're going to have laws against gay people and queer people and trans people and who the hell knows? But yet, Trump goes free. There's no telling, y'all. Just wait and see. See you next time. Love you. Bye.